Hi, so my name's Rock Galpin. I teach the Furniture Design for Beginners summer school. I'm a practicing furniture designer myself. I've been in business for about 30 years, running the short courses, I think for about 15 years. And also teaching at Central St Martin's on BA Product Design and MA Industrial Design for about 20 years. The last collection I designed was for Morgan Furniture, launched last year. It's got shortlisted in a few awards. So I'm always learning and bringing those kind of techniques and process that experience, to the course. I take students right the way through the process for professional furniture design training. So we go from understanding the need for the furniture in the first place, who it's for, context. We understand the user experience of the piece, and then how to evolve ideas, inspiration, developing those designs laterally, linearly, with sketching, sketch model making, and then we work in scale. We test out a one-to-one scale where we can in the workshops. And there's a very intense workshop part to the course where there's a lot of making, understanding materials and process and how things fit together, come together, and how those pieces of furniture fit us. If you are fascinated and excited by this, then just fully commit to it.